Sometimes you don't need a full-blown TV, with all the bells and whistles attached. Sometimes you just want something that works, something that it delivers in your price range and gives you just the basic features that you need. Well, once in a while there comes a product, that ticks all the right boxes. A great TV price, check. Great size, check. Great features, check. And what in the world can actually have the blue moon show up to have that kind of price to performance magic ratio? There it is! The Xiaomi TV 4S. Well, let's check it out and see what it has to offer that makes it such a good value. Hey guys, this is Chester here. You guys are watching our channel at Chester and Unboxing. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Xiaomi, however you want to pronounce it, TV 4S. So basically, this is a 43-inch TV that delivers just the right features in its price range, and yes, it is actually cheaper than its regular counterparts such as Samsung, LG, Sony, and especially Sony. Sony is very expensive. Hey, but Sony panels are great. So, without further ado, so just the quick features, it is 43 inches and 4K resolution. So in that price range, usually we have Full HD, but this ups it a notch with 4K, and that is 4K plus HDR. So that means this TV is HDR compatible. So if you have, like, let's say Blu-ray videos and everything that has HDR content, this TV will be able to deliver it. Wow! So yeah, let's open this up and check out what's inside the box. So I've never opened it up yet, so we'll be opening it together on the spot. Along with the box, right, it comes first with this particular package. This is the power cable that attaches to the TV straight. There is no power adapter or anything like that. This just goes straight into the TV. This is 2-pin, by the way, so if you want something that if you want something that works in your country, you have to get an adapter for it. Okay, remote control, we'll talk about it in a short time. Manual, yeah, and there are also screws, which I'll also talk about. Let's just open it right now. So, comes with the TV is this manual guide, quick start guide, with different interfaces, different quick start instructions, on where's the ports and everything. Talk about it in a short moment. Okay, comes with the power cord. So this power cord is 2-pin only, so you can get an adapter. This goes straight into your TV. Okay, this is the Mickey Mouse, but without the 3. This is just 2-pin variant. Okay, remote control. So this is the remote control. As you can see here, the remote control, it is pretty simple. There's the up and down volume button. I believe this is the PlayStation ones. Me menu, back, enter, Netflix button, Amazon Prime Video, settings, channel list, input, power, the power button, on and off. So this remote control runs on 2 AAA batteries, so make sure you have that. They are not included. All the better, yeah. I don't really trust default batteries. Okay, and some color ratings and stuff. There is also 4 screws for your mounting if you want to mount the TV to the wall. So if you want to mount the TV to the wall, it supports the base mounting is 300 by 300 mm. So you got to make sure that your wall mount, the bracket supports 300 by 300. Also comes along with these 2 legs, which attaches to the TV if you are going to be installing it on the table, which I will be doing. So I'll show you guys how to do it. Let me install the leg first, and we have moving magic in. No, let's not do that. I'll just show you guys how to do it. Okay, so as you can see here, the TV stands. So the screws, the 4 screws that are provided actually is for the stand there. Okay, so you just screw them in and you slot it out. Just make sure the legs is actually facing outwards, so you don't want them to face inwards. If not, the TV will not be so stable. Okay, so before I actually flip the TV around, so taking a look over here, the center button is actually the power button. Yeah, so it's actually pretty recessed in, so you're just gonna figure it out. Okay, the front of the TV is pretty standard. There's not much to go through. Let me talk about the rear I/O first. Okay, so the rear I/O has the power cable is over here. Okay, we have the HDMI cables, the USB cable over here. This is USB 3. Okay, we have the one headphone jack that is 3.5 millimeters. Okay, we have 3 HDMI outputs. These are HDMI 2, I believe, and the second port, which is labeled here. Okay, this is ARC enabled, so if you want to connect that to your speaker, your soundbar, use this port. Okay, and 2 USB 2 ports, I believe. Yeah, so it's labeled USB 3, USB 2. Okay, so for a total of 3 USB ports. That's for this section. Okay, for this section, you have a Ethernet network cable, a network connector, optical out. You have 3 AV inputs. That's your standard video, audio. And this is the satellite link. This is your old school satellite one, and the antenna cable in. Alright, there is a lot of features for a TV that is at this price bracket, and yes, it does come with Android TV. So the Android version is actually version 9. But the thing is, it's not full Android, so this is Android TV. It means that the software is actually customized for TV usage. Alright, so when you turn it on, you can actually plug your thumb drive in with your movies and everything, and you can even connect to internet and Chrome and everything like that. Just that you have to manage around with the built-in remote control, which I don't think will be too user-friendly. Okay, there are 2 8-watt speakers, so not too great, but you know, at least it's there, so at least it's better than nothing. He reigns on high, the agreed sounds with a shout. Nowadays, if you're using the TV for everyday usage, I would actually highly recommend that you use a proper soundbar, which by the way, Xiaomi also has their own soundbar. So next time on a further review, if we get there. So this TV is 7.3 kg heavy, so just make sure that the bench which you're going to put it on it supports the weight. But 7.3 kg is actually quite light, so I believe that most tables and benches should be able to support the weight. Okay, let's check out the dimensions. Okay, so the length, total length of the TV, it is 96 cm, or 38 inches for your American folks. The total depth, okay, so I'm going to give you 2 depths. One is the depth of the stand, and one is the depth of the TV itself. So the depth of the stand, it is 20 cm or 8 inches, and the depth of the TV itself, it is 8 cm. 8 cm is about 3 inches. Okay, the height of the TV, same thing. Without the stand, it is 56 cm or 22 inches. Height of the TV with the stand, it is 61 or exactly 24 feet. Okay, so all in all, this is a great TV if you want something that is affordable but really delivers a solid bang on in terms of features and everything. Like I mentioned, the 4K resolution itself already seals the deal. Like if you add on extra things like HDR, Android TV, like wow, it's really a great deal. Okay, so all in all, that actually sums up our unboxing and first look at the Xiaomi TV 4S. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester, that's all for today. See you guys.